Hey Star Wars fans, another FlyGuy.net review. A little different again. Something that's been lying around here and I've meant to review. A very kind friend bought me this from the UK. At the time he was coming out here, this Lego large alarm clock was not available in Australia. But since literally the day he arrived, there was tons of them. And a Darth Vader one as well. So this was one which, again, this friend had brought across from the UK to save some shipping for me, but again, it is in stores here and online now. So it's a large Lego Stormtrooper alarm clock. I'll give you a bit of a blast, I think, there you go. It lights up in his chest and you get to see the time. You have to take the sticker off him. In fact, why don't I do that right now live? Live removing a sticker here. There we go, we'll get to see the alarm clock. There you go. And you can just see that because of the camera, the kind of liquid crystals showing you a lot of the display there a little bit too much. But it would have been nice if that actually came with a white panel you could block out, because I'm more keen on having this as a collectible to display than having it as an alarm clock. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more on this. So, just to give you an idea in comparison to the scale, there's his little pal, so there you go. Quite a big difference in the troopers themselves. So, a very small scale from this mini guy to this big guy. So, it's no more than an alarm clock. It does have some articulation, but it's just a very cool piece. I thought it was quite nice and worthy of collecting. On the back, you'll see some controls and a small battery compartment there. You can set the time. The alarm does no more other than beep, unfortunately. There's no Stormtrooper noises, which would have been really cool, but nothing there. Made in China, and that's about it. His head has no articulation. It is the piece which allows you to snooze when the alarm or put the light on. But he does have moving arms, moving wrists, and he can sit down too. So a very cool and unusual kind of piece. I just wanted to pick up and collect Stormtroopers. I'm always a sucker for them. And one of these days when I finish the one in the background, we'll have a little Stormtrooper temple of all the Stormtroopers that I have around. So nothing else came in the packaging, which was very basic, just showing the shadows of the dark side. But it came with this little instruction leaflet, massively amounts of detail for an alarm clock, which is just a little bit silly, but there we go. So that's a Lego Stormtrooper alarm clock. Also available in Darth Vader style. I don't think there's any other versions available as yet. Please do let me know if you've seen any more. I'd kill to get a Boba Fett one, I think, to these guys, but I think I'm going to pass on the Darth. But let me know what you think. Comment below or on facebook.com/flyguy.net. We'll be back with some more regular figure reviews coming up soon. Cheers.